Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert lines to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so first off we want to show you how you can insert this kind of lines, so random lines, to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you want to underline a cell, what you have to do is select that cell, click on format and select text, and you have the option to underline, and you can also use Ctrl U or Command U and you can see that cell will be underlined. But if you want to insert lines like these ones, all you have to do is click on Insert here and select Drawing from the drop-down, and then you can insert to this area lines, and we have to select this line option here, and as you can see here we have line. We can also insert arrow lines, elbow connectors, curved connectors, curves, polyline, or scribbles. But if you want to add the line, just add your line the way you want it. As you can see, you can add many kind of lines here. You can change the color, the width of the line, the dash type of the line. You can add a line start and a line end if you want to do that. And once you added your lines or line, just click on Save and Close, and as you can see, they have been inserted to our spreadsheet. You can resize it, or you can edit the lines or assign a script to that line. So now this is how to insert line or multiple lines to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.